The context window is the maximum number of tokens or words or subwords the model can process at once. It includes your system prompt, conversation history, tool outputs, and any retrieved documents. For agents, this is critical because an agent may need to remember many past steps. Short context means 4K or 8K. Limits memory. Long context means 128K. Allows handling entire books or long conversations. In a multi-step agent, each iteration adds tokens, the system prompt, tool descriptions, conversation history, and tool outputs. After 5 to 10 steps, you may exceed a 4K token. The model then starts forgetting earlier information. It may repeat actions or lose the original goal. Long context models, 128K plus, can hold dozens of steps without truncation, making them ideal for complex long-running agents. Even with long context, models often have recency bias. They pay more attention to information at the end of the prompt. That means if you stuff the middle with old history, the model might ignore it. Mitigations: place important information at the beginning or end of the prompt. Use summarization or implement a memory system that retrieves relevant snippets rather than dumping everything. Long context is expensive. For GPT-4, a 128K token prompt costs $2.50. For a 10K step agent with 10K tokens each step, the cost adds up. Also, inference latency grows quadratically with context length. A 128K prompt can take 20 to 30 seconds. So, you should not use full context unnecessarily. Instead, use sliding window memory or a separate summarization step. Some models now support 1 million tokens or more, Gemini 1.5, Claude 3 and others. This allows you to give an entire codebase or a whole book as context. However, the effective reasoning over that much data is still limited. For agents, ultra-long context is best for tasks where the agent needs to reference large documents, for example, legal contract analysis. But for conversation memory, a retrieval augmented approach is often more efficient. For most agents, don't rely solely on context window. Use RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Store conversation history in a vector database and retrieve only the most relevant past messages for each step. This keeps your prompt short, cheap and fast while still giving the agent access to long-term memory. Only the current working memory, last 2 to 3 steps, stays in the context.